Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to set up product shipping in Google Shopping feed using our app that is Easy Feed for Google Shopping. So here, let me click on Create Feed. Here, along with the Shopify Market, we provide shipping settings. So it is on the free shipping by default, as mostly store owners go with the free shipping option. It's up to you. You can either select the manually configure shipping in Merchant Center. So the question is how to set up shipping. Let's move to the Merchant Center. Click on the settings. Here you will see shippings and returns. So here you can see we have previously added a shipping, and if you want to create a new one, then you have to click on add shipping service. You have to create it according to your scenario. My second feed was Canada, so I'll go with the Canada. Next, we have to write the country name. Here I will select Canada. Currency will be Canadian dollar. Click on next. So here we have to adjust the time. Delivery time will be 0 to 1 day from Monday to Friday, and transit time will be 3 to 7 days. So sorry, I forget to add the time zone. So now click on next. Now you have to select the customer shipping cost, free shipping, then you can say the range based shipping, and here is the flat rate. And if we switch to advanced setting, you will see different categories. Accordingly, you have to write the shipping rate name, and then next you can see in shipping rate table, you will see you can charge on order price, order weight, and you have to charge in kgs. I will charge 0 to 5 for 10 Canadian dollar, and from 5 and above I will charge 25 Canadian dollar. Now click on continue. So you can set the shipping. Likewise, there are so many ways of creating shipping, so it is applied to 100% products. So I'll save this. Our shipping is created. Now let's talk about the USA shipping, as it is comparatively little bit different. Let's select the USA. Here I have to write United States, and here I will write USA. Click on next. Here it gives the carrier picking option, so I have to write the name of my suppose here I will write DHL. I'm unable to add as my location is according to Germany, so I have to update the location to America, then it will work and charge the shipping accordingly. Next, you can see if your shipping data comes from partners Google, it will itself calculate it. Next, you can see is the same as we have done previously. So basically it's up to you. How do you want to set up the shipping? Here you can see it shows holidays, and like in these days shipping will be off as there will be holiday in the country. Let me show you our shipping made with Easy Feed. You can see it is made for Germany. It has settled for 1 to 2 days order fulfillment and 7 to 9 days shipping. It is created by default. We didn't provide anything. It has taken through the API method. Now let's have a look on returns. If you want to create your return policy, that's well and good, and it varies from country to country. Let me open my store. Here we have to paste the URL. Let me open my store. First of all, let me translate it into English. It is in German language, so we have to translate it, but it's not translating the language. I think it's the return policy. Let me open it in new tab. So it's the refund policy. It's same as return policy. Move back. Here we have to paste the URL, except this. Click on next. You can add number of days. Here suppose I will write 7, or you can either write 30. So you have to add the date. So here we have to adjust the date. We can also go with the lifetime guarantee. Now you have to add the methods according to your requirements. So today we have got the idea of the shipping setup or the return policy. And yes, if you apply the career based settings and you are from USA, it will take your business address too. So here you can see, here is my client's business address. Let's move to the app. Select the feed, open the product. Here you will see the shipping label. So here it is. Here is the shipping label. It is basically for ads. We have written 24 hours shipping. You can either write fast shipping, money back guarantee, lifetime guarantee. It will go along with the ads. Let me show you with an example. As it shows the example over here, you can see in this example. So as it shows free shipping, likewise your label will appear over here. By using ad labels on Google Merchant Center data, you can create a more efficient advertisement. This approach ensures that your ads are highly relevant to your target audience. It will also lead to improved click-through rates and conversions. And yes, let me tell you another thing, that don't go with the XML method as it loads the complete file. Always go with the content API as it is liked by Google, and benefit of using it is it will only make the changes according to your requirements instead changing the whole store, and it is also recommended by Google. So I hope you have got the idea how to set up your shipping and how to use the return policy. I hope you will enjoy the experience. To share your feedback, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.